Hi everyone, and welcome back to Blues Wireless TV. I'm Gabe Sanchez, and on today's episode, we have Madison Jones from Additive at Scale. Madison, how are you doing today?
Hi, Gabe. I'm great. Thanks for having me on.
Can you tell the fine folks who you are and what you do?
Yeah, my name is Madison Jones. I'm the engineering and design lead for Additive at Scale. My background consists mainly of IP commercialization and bringing technologies to the market. Something personally, I'm super passionate about action sports, and I race motorcycles, super bikes, and happy to be working with Blues Wireless, innovative technology, and the note card that pumps data to the cloud. And something I've heard over the last few years is data is the new gold. So I want to be on the forefront of this industry.
That's fantastic. And where did you go to college?
I graduated from Texas A&M University.
With a degree in what?
With a degree in ocean engineering.
How very interesting. The ocean is an interesting frontier and one that captivates my attention.
That resonates with me. That's something that renewable energy was something that was very intriguing back in 2013, 2012, and then quickly realized that a lot of ocean engineering was related to oil and gas, offshore platforms, and drilling semi-submersibles and some wind farms. But yeah, that kind of led me into mechanical engineering for my passion in motorcycles and wrenching.
Can you tell us a little bit about your work with device design and manufacturing?
We have 5 different tech portfolios, but I think I'll name a couple that I'm super passionate about, and that's unmanned systems. So developing drone platforms for the public safety industry, as well as a remote controlled track system. That entity is called Trax North America, but also custom sensor integration. So a lot of sensors out in the world, sensors on your car, sensors in your phone, but to integrate with those sensors, pump that data to the cloud, and use analytics not only to see it in real time, but to gather historical data, I think is really interesting. I think, that's the new gold.
How does your company approach device design with your customers?
Yeah, so great question. We believe in failing fast. And, I think because of our relatively small organization, we're able to work and move through these challenges at such a rapid pace, but using these manufacturing capabilities and rapid prototyping capabilities, and also laser scanners, it really optimizes our design process and our prototyping process. And typically we can get a prototype or MVP in the hand of end users within 4 to 6 weeks. Now it depends on the complexity or the scope of work, but I think in other corporations it might take up to a year or hundreds of thousands of dollars, whereas we can make a change, prototype that or 3D print that within hours, and then again sometimes use that in a final product, or allow us to achieve design iterations at a much quicker pace than other companies.
When I think of the product design process, there's obviously the physical components that come together to make the electrical solution. There's the enclosure, which once again has form factor and protection needs and suits those kinds of things. And there's some sort of data transport, possibly a cloud dashboard or some sort of application. So I've got at least 3 phases in a product idea. How many of those phases can you help with, and what do you bring to the table?
So we can help with all 3. I'm happy to say we're an end-to-end solution provider, or a one-stop shop. So we have a team of electrical engineers who can do the hardware and the software engineering and development. We have the team of mechanical engineers that really help design and test the form factor of those enclosures. And then we also have a team that can do some of that software development, or we have partners who can help and who already provide those software services that we can integrate easily with Blues Wireless.
We've got some time coming up on September 22nd for you to explain how advanced materials, the Additive at Scale process, and Blues Wireless combine to accelerate the device engineering timelines.
Yeah, upcoming webinar. Look forward to chatting again soon.
And for those of you watching, make sure to register for the webinar by clicking on the link in the description. We look forward to seeing how this all comes together. Madison, how would you like people to get a hold of you in the meantime?
Add me on LinkedIn. Again, my name is Madison Jones. Should be one of the few names that pop up. And again, look for Make Safe Tech and Additive at Scale.
Madison, it's been wonderful having you on as a guest. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thanks for having me.